All right, so you are gonna first do your turkey in disguise final copy. Now this copy is your best handwriting ever. It's gonna be neat. You're gonna have spaces between words. Make sure you have capitalization. So if Mrs. Murphy, when I edited it with you, if I put 3 lines under a letter, like this letter, that means that I needs to be capitalized. It needs to be the uppercase, the big one. Okay? And make sure you have your punctuation. Do you have a period? Do you have an exclamation mark? There's lots of exclamation marks because you guys are saying your turkeys are being excited. Okay? So make sure that you are doing those things. Okay? This is going to be hanging in the hallway, so I want them to look your very best. Now, you're going to take your white copy and you are going to copy it onto this brown one. Okay? This is actually kind of construction paper. So if you make a mistake, you're going to have to erase lightly. So if I were writing with your pencil, don't press too hard, because if you make a mistake and have to erase it, it's construction paper, and so it kind of will erase. It will erase kind of funny, okay? So try not to write too hard. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy this onto here with all of your corrections, okay? Make sure you write your name up here in your best handwriting, just like you did on this paper, okay? Once you have this done, you're going to have this left over. This can either be recycled or you can take it home and put it in your mailbox, okay? You get to pick. Don't ask me what to do with it. I'll say, if you ask me, I'm going to flip you down because I'm telling you now. Either recycle it or put it in your mailbox. When you have this done, you're going to walk over here, and Mrs. Murphy's going to put it right over on the counter here. You're going to grab a black piece of paper. And so I'm going to show you up here what I want you to do. With your black piece of paper, you're going to take your final draft and you're going to put stick glue, not liquid glue, all over the back of it. And make sure you go around the edges really good and in the middle. I always do an X and go in the middle. And you're going to glue it on the right. I'm going to say writing on the right. Can you say that with me?
Writing on the right.
Mrs. Murphy always does writing on the right. It's just a little saying. So you'll glue it on the right side. See how it's on the right side? Okay. Then, once you have that glued on, you will walk over to the basket, and I might have the turkeys spread out a little bit, but let's just say that I am Libby. Can I borrow you, Libby? Okay, this is Libby's turkey. So Libby is going to grab her turkey, pretend this is her writing. She's going to put glue on the back of her turkey. Now, mostly everybody can do stick glue. Brooklyn, you're going to have to maybe do liquid glue because yours is so heavy. And maybe Corla. If you feel like yours is heavy, you can do liquid glue, but not a lot.
Only
okay?
a dot is
Maybe
a lot.
A dot is a lot. I like that. So, if you're like Libby, Libby does not need liquid glue. She can just use stick glue. But make sure you press really hard because you're going to probably need a lot of stick glue on this one. Okay? Do not put glue on here. Always put glue on your paper and then put it on. Now, when Libby glues this on, and if you have a staple like this, I noticed, you can take that staple out if you need help. Mrs. Murphy can help you too. Okay?
If you have a stapler thing, what takes out staple?
Now, do you see how Mrs. Murphy, when I glue this on, I just want a little black edge going around it? Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you try to glue it on, try to give, I know it might not be perfect, but try to just give a little edge. Okay? When you get this done, I'm going to get a picture of you holding your turkey, probably by the hallway, and then I'll have Riley put them up. Okay? Any questions on how to do the turkey in disguise? Kinsley?
If you forget, this is what I do when I was at home. You write with your right hand.
Yeah, you write with your right hand. That's why I say writing on the right. And I think all of us write with our right hand, right?
Except Brian.
Rain is a lefty. He's my only lefty.
No, me too.
And Tyson. I got 2 lefties.
And Raylan.
Is Rain
Raylan's
a righty? I think he's a righty. Okay, Kaden. Question on, are you just stretching again? Are you just stretching? Okay, John, are you stretching?
I use this.
Okay.